Well, you know, newsflash, I don't think I got it fixed, but there were a couple other things that I was thinking about. Remember on this aerator, when I took it out, I looked at it and said that looked clean. Well, did you know you can pull this part out too? And I did. And I had to kind of tap it on the counter and get a little screwdriver in through there and hold my mouth just right, and it came out. And then I was able to kind of check that all out. And that was clean. But then on this nozzle, on the sprayer, the aerator water comes out of there, but then when you press the other button, the sprayer comes out of all of this. And so if these aren't clean, and if they're clogged up, maybe that's why your sprayer nozzle's not working. So I just took a little part of a paper clip, and I went through into each one of these and cleaned them. And another thing you could do is you could take CLR. I don't have any CLR, but I took some Simple Green, and I've always got Simple Green at the ready, don't I? I took some of that and I put it in a little plastic container, and I took this and I'm just soaking that. And if I had some CLR, I could soak it in that, and hoping that there's nothing in there, that there's nothing inside of there. And I don't think this whole thing comes apart. I think it's factory installed that way. I went online to look for one of those, and remember I said it's G-R-O-H-E, not G-R-O-N-E, G-R-O-H-E. And just for this top piece, oh, it was ridiculous. It was like $170 or something. There's no way I'm going to do that. And I don't think you can get universal ones. I might be able to go to the store, take this one with me, and try to match it up with something that they have at the store, the same color and everything. But I kind of doubt I'm going to find anything, but there's an option for you. Okay, so this, I'm going to go ahead and see, it's all open, but I'm going to fill this up with a little bit more water, and I'm going to stick that in there too. Maybe pour a little bit more Simple Green in there. I'm going to let that soak for a while. In fact, I could take the little aerator and I can put that down in there. Not that I have to, but got all that stuff in there, and maybe, just maybe, there might be some alkaline, hard water that got up in there and it crystallized inside of there, possibly. And it might be something like that. But my guess is that maybe this part only is going to last so long. And if something happens inside of there, I don't think you can get parts for that. I think you got to buy a whole new one, or if I can't find a new universal one that fits on there, I might have to replace this whole faucet. And this faucet, the new one from them, was like $270 or something. But I mean, it's lasted them a long time. We bought the house probably a little over 2 years ago now, and it's been working fine. And the house was about 19 years old now. So I don't know if this is the initial one that was installed here. I tried to find the owner's manual that the previous owner left for me, but it shows a chrome one here. And so maybe it came with a chrome one, and then later on they replaced it with a anodized, or with a brushed nickel one. I think they called it steel finish or something. But anyways, all the other fixtures in here are that color, you know. You always want to look at your existing to see what color you have in your kitchen, you know, before you start replacing a faucet and just getting anything there, getting a black one, getting a polished chrome one. It wouldn't really match with anything else, right? So always do that. See, even the handles are that nickel finish. That's what you try to do. And so when we got our toaster, we wanted to get a stainless steel type color, you know, that matches all this kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm holding out little hope that maybe I can get this clean and maybe I can make it work, but I don't know. I just thought I would add that information in case it's a help. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I was stressing out about this, wondering how I was going to replace that and ordering it and whether or not I had to get a whole new faucet assembly and replace this entire thing. But hey, it was right there in front of my nose. I was so worked up on just concentrating on this, I forgot that we had another sink. Simple as that to replace. Okay, well, hopefully I've shown you a few tips along the way to at least get your aerator cleaned out and your little nozzles in case your shower spray is working but it's kind of plugged up, and how to go about fixing it. Okay, I'll see you next time.